In today's corporate landscape, traditional security defenses, such as antivirus software and firewalls, are just not enough to keep networks protected. Businesses across the board struggle to find competent personnel, while current staff lacks the knowledge to properly configure, maintain, and monitor security equipment and applications. Advanced malware or zero-day attacks can easily bypass traditional detection methods, and attacks that rely on human error, such as phishing or social engineering, will not be detected or stopped by current methods. Introducing RhynoGuard, Managed Detection and Response from Rhyno CYBERSECURITY. RhynoGuard delivers patented cutting-edge technology and 24/7 human-driven analysis for monitoring suspicious activity on every laptop, desktop, server, and mobile device in and outside your company. RhynoGuard is a server appliance that connects directly into your network. It's quick and easy to deploy and gives instant security visibility and automation. IT managers no longer need to investigate every alert, saving them countless hours. RhynoGuard operates like a surveillance camera that's monitored 24/7, 365 days a year by machine learning technology and real people ready to take action. If abnormal activity is detected, a cybersecurity expert investigates to determine if the threat is real. In the case of a legitimate threat, a cybersecurity task force is immediately deployed to stop the attack. Some attacks take months before they are caught by traditional security methods. RhynoGuard recognizes and puts a stop to attacks within minutes. Our InfoSec Operations Center acts as an extension of your security team. This can help business leaders feel confident that their business is protected 24/7. RhynoGuard also costs less than building a SIEM or an in-house security team. Our solution is scalable for businesses of all sizes. Contact us to set up a demo today. Rhyno CYBERSECURITY, complete peace of mind.